What's going on, everyone? Let's cover today's price action. So we actually started off gapping down in the red all the way back to green, currently up 64 handles, about 0.32% on the day. Current little pop here. We've had some news headlines that have kind of come across the board. So Trump said Musk will step back from current role in coming weeks. Trump tells Inner Circle that Musk will leave soon. There's a lot of people that are got their panties in a bunch with Doge and Elon Musk and this, that, and the other. Whatever's going on with that's whatever's going on. We had some more headlines. France's foreign minister: if a deal can't be reached with Iran, then a military confrontation seems to be almost inevitable. Mexico's president said we will not impose tit-for-tat tariffs. So during that time, we had a little bit of a pullback in the market that was right about here, and a lot of consolidation. Then the Musk comments and headlines kind of just exploded it back up to the top side. One thing that we're looking at here is we are above all moving averages that are significant to me: 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages. We are looking at the 5-minute time frame. This setup off the open literally was a one and done setup. Okay, whether you just jumped long, whether you waited for a legitimate setup, whether you waited for the previous swing high from pre-market to get taken out, whether you waited for the 200-day moving average to get broken, retested, and then pop, there was plenty of opportunity in that first 30 minutes of the market. I am absolutely 100% done trading on the day because of that sole reason. The big trade that I took today, not big trade, but the trade that enabled me to walk away on the day with some green in my pocket, was this move here. So literally the first 5-minute candle had a little bit of a touch of a sell-off, right? A little bit of a touch of some red off the open. And because we were already gapping down, looked like, oh no, here we go again. The market's about to start selling off. And then it was literally a drop of a hat. Okay, a drop of a hat. The market started to immediately reverse and put up a 100-point reversal candle. This got a lot of people very, very excited. Now, for me, based on my setups, my strategies that you guys can learn inside of Evolution Traders when you guys get access to the community and the course, this is a picture perfect setup where you kind of wash out, right? By just a hair, you wash out through that pre-market low, and then you reverse and close over this 20 SMA. If we look at the high price, that price being 19,419, your next area of supply was sitting at 440. So this is a 20-point move just from confirming this candle into this 50 moving average, okay, 50 SMA. First trade for me was 3 mini contracts taking 5 points in this little gap between this candle to this 50 SMA. That's a $300 trade. Quickly moved over into another account, and I'm not going to lie, I basically just rode this momentum by entering in another 3 contracts once we broke through the 50 SMA. Because once we broke through this 50 SMA, it was going to be a clear shot. Now again, not 100% shot, but a pretty high probability trade based on the momentum that we were going to at least stretch into 19,550 into grabbing this liquidity here at this supply zone of the 200 SMA. Now we clearly broke that, we back tested it, we put in more highs, and we're putting in more highs now. But I was done between getting in right here over the 5-minute opening range candle, getting out here, and then getting back into this candle literally within the next 5 minutes with anticipations that we stretch to the 200. Now, I didn't hold this all the way into the 200. I never am going to be a big holder where I'm looking for 50, 60, 70 points. I congratulate those of you guys who can do that. But again, you guys know if you're trading prop firms, especially on some of these prop firms that got intraday trailing drawdown, it's a little hard sometimes to hold big size, meaning multiple mini contracts, when the price is fluctuating hundreds of dollars at a time. So for me, I've always found that it works a little bit better if I can just find these setups, find the momentum, quickly scalp it for anywhere between 5 to 10 points on average. Because for me, those smaller base hits tend to add up, and it makes me win a little bit more than someone who might be looking for 50 or even 100 points. And it keeps my confidence up. It allows my trade hold times to be very, very quick. So I'm managing my emotions because I have low hold times. And if you're able to knock away 1, 2, 3 of these little base hits, you're talking hundreds of dollars, 200, 400, 500, $300 in profits. And when it comes to trading prop firms, regardless if you make $300 on the day or you make $5,000 on the day, with most of these prop firms, you can't withdraw at the end of the day anyways. So you still have to hit certain profit goals. You still have to hit X number of trading days. There's still consistency rules that you have to do. So for me, I would rather just slowly compound $200, $400 days into those payout windows. Okay. So again, let's recap the setup. Market was gapping down. We were, slowly drifting and slowly pushing down. Literally, we had a very quick little red like washout off the open, and then almost an immediate bounce that closed over my 20 SMA. Over the candle that closed over the 20 SMA into my 50 SMA was 20 points worth of measured potential. I took a very quick scalp for 5 points on 3 mini contracts over this 5-minute candle into this 50 SMA. And then I did just kind of blindly enter on momentum once we cracked over this 50 SMA, because my next area of supply was all the way up here at 19,545. So I got back into the move here on a few more accounts and was able to snag a few hundred more extra dollars and just walked away. That's it. The biggest problem that a lot of traders have is overtrading. So the better you can get at accepting what the market gave you, and especially that fast, the better and more consistent as a trader you're going to be. Because how many times do we go into profit or even go a little bit red and then sit there and continue to trade and continue to give away profits? We don't need to do that. This game is about making money, and it's about trying to make money consistently. You're not going to make money on every trade. You're not going to make money each and every single day. This is one thing that I help focus on in evolution traders with traders, is understanding that mindset, but getting into more so of the mindset of surviving. If we can survive enough days, we will make money. As long as we're not blowing up, not making $200, but then immediately losing $3,000. If we can just slowly build, we can get to those passes where we're passing evaluations. We can get to those payout windows where we can take money off the top. Again, think about this, guys. Even if adding one payout a month of, let's say, $1,000 to $2,000 is life-changing for some people. Now, even if you're out there and you're saying, well, what am I going to do with an extra $1,000? I can't retire off this. But $1,000 can help you pay for your health insurance. $1,000 a month can help you pay for your cell phone bill, your utilities, your internet bill, your gas for the month. It can go towards a vacation, right? It can go towards a plane ticket. It can go towards a hotel room. It can go towards, Christmas gifts, or it can go towards a birthday gift or an anniversary gift. $1,000 to $2,000 extra each and every single month can really change your life. And what you need to understand is that you need to take things day by day. You need to work a lot slower and not faster. So if you make money fast in the market, that's almost your indicator to walk away faster, right? If it takes you a little bit longer in the day, maybe where you have to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, and it takes you longer to make money, then it's the faster you need to be walking away once you do get into profitability or even flat or even a small red day. There's a lot of times, sometimes where the first trade of the day you go down $400, $500, $600, and then you spend the next 2 hours getting yourself back to flat. That's when you should be running away from the market. If you're able to do that and you have the skill set to provide yourself to be able to take trades and get out of that market, with the small paper cut loss, or even a flat day or small green day, that's when you need to be running out of the market, okay? You've given yourself plenty of opportunity to make money. You can walk away with a small profit or a small loss. Those are days that we need to stack. Those are days that we need to log, and those are days that we need to cherish, because again, at the end of the day, this is all about survival. If you guys want to trade with me and get access to the course, the community, you want to learn how to become a better trader, join Evolution Traders. That link is down in the description box below. I have one space available if you're looking to join. Also, if you guys need Apex accounts, you can use code DAnthony. You're going to get the best available discount at the current time with that discount code of DAnthony. Also, thumbs up, bell notifications on. Make sure you're a subscriber to the channel. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.